It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
How are you beautiful people doing? How are the triggered people doing? Hello. The left ear plug again. The left ear must be smaller or bigger, I don't know. It's always the left ear giving shit, never the right ear. So this is Rhino Park here. This is a really cool off-roading place, and I've been a couple of times, but it's been a while since I've been here. I want to come with Fat Boy, the quad bike, show you some of the cool shit that you can do here. Let me see if I can hit a jump or two. Let me know if you guys would like something like that. Not something that happen all the time, but just for shits and giggles, you know. Fucking dumb doors, Jesus. Look at the purple flowers on these jacarandas. One of you guys corrected me there, thank you for that. Flowers, yeah, that obviously makes sense because I can see the bloody green leaves. But how pretty is that, right? So pretty. Probably looks like a bit of a blur to you guys, but really cool though nonetheless. Got some boys that want to do a bit of a race on the road here. Ooh, that's a full tire. Huh? Yeah, 600. What I'll do is I'll hoot. On 3 we go. Sharp. I've got a YouTube channel. Is it? Yeah. Serious? Yeah. We'll be seeing ourselves on YouTube. Huh? We'll be seeing ourselves on YouTube. Yeah. Okay. That's cool, man. Okay. So they're both 600s. The dude on the left there, he's got a 750 fairing kit. 750 fairing kit, but it is a 600 because they are interchangeable. The frame, the motor, just about everything's the same except for I think there's a bigger bore and a bigger stroke or something on the 750. So yeah, it should be quite interesting. Look at all these people running the red. Yo, you see how easy it is to get fucking hit here. They're full, but I know that the Gixxers have slightly better mid-range. look at that. Oh, was that guy's right away? Ooh, damn it, that was dangerous. What are you doing? And he shouts at me. What are you doing? No code, no nothing to let anybody know. It's another one. Jeez, like. This guy's kind of using hazards. Some Final Destination shit right there.